So, good afternoon, one and all. Today we are gathered here for orientation program induction, or you may call it as a bridge program by Department of Computer Science, Vasantrao Naik Mahavidyalaya, Aurangabad. First of all, I will introduce what is a orientation, or you may call it as a bridge program. The concept behind the orientation and bridge is that you should understand the curriculum and syllabus and what are the different subjects is to be included or there in your syllabus, and what will be the benefit for your future when you have when you complete your degree course or after completing the degree course. So first of all, we are start with the topics today. We will see what is the structure of your bachelor degree. It is a BSc Computer Science as well as BCA Management Science. Then what information on the courses, and the main thing is that what is the future scope on this degree or after completing the degree. So see, first of all, in Department of Computer Science, we successfully run the 3 courses. One is a BSc Computer Science optional, which is considered as a subject with physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, etc. Second is a purely BSc Computer Science, which is a nomenclature before as a BCS, but nowadays it is called as a BSc Computer Science only. And third one is a BCA Management Science. Now, first of all, we will see what is a computer science, because the students are gathered here. They are from both categories, which includes or which knows the concept of the computer science. Because in BCA Management Science, they have the subject related to the computers also. That is a computer fundamental, programming in C or C++, like this. So first of all, computer science is actually the combination of physics and mathematics core subject. See, I'm talking about the core subject because you know that the physics is we can say that the core subject, as well as the mathematics is also the core subject. So computer science is actually the combination of physics and mathematics, because you know that the mathematics is the origin of the computer science, which provides the reasoning and logic. सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे की आपण सुरुवातीला जेव्हा कम्प्युटर फंडामेंटल स्टार्ट केलं होतं, सो इन दॅट द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दॅट in programming languages we have one of the programming language that is called as a binary, or it is also called as a machine level language, which understands only zeros and one. So you know that the zeros and ones came from the mathematics. As well as in digital electronics, you have seen the different types of logical gates, that is a AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and NAND, and etc. So these concepts are come from the mathematics. Now science provides the methodology for learning and refinement. And the third thing is that engineering provides the technique for building the hardware and software. Now, all of you know that the engineering is the concept which is actually base for designing the hardware. Hardware in the terms that you may call it as a hardware, mouse, keyboard. In short, these are the different input devices. And by giving the input to the particularly software, these technique came from the field that is engineering. Now we will see actual definition of the computer science. Computer science is the study of computer and computing, as well as their theoretical and practical application. So see, these two words are very important for us. The study of the computers. Now computers, in daily life you are using the types of computers only, that is a mobile phone, tablets, laptops, desktop, and computing. Computing is the part where it is related to the softwares. How it is how it is taking the input from the user, how it is providing the output to the user, what are the different ways for computing it. So this is what the theoretical and practical application. आता आपण हे पुढे दाखवणार आहे मी तुम्हाला की हाऊ the computing part came into the programming languages. Now, computer science applies the principles of mathematics, engineering, and logic to the plethora of function, which includes the algorithm formulation, software and hardware development, and artificial intelligence. See, there is a one word that is including algorithm formulation. Algorithm. You know that what is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. Now, everybody goes to the C programming. तुम्ही प्रत्येकाने C program एक simple C program केला. So in while, or we can say that first of all, writing the program, you know that what is to be done. सगळ्यात अगोदर तुम्हाला सर किंवा मॅडम हे सांगतात की आपल्याला नेमकं काय करायचंय. सो दॅट काय करायचंय means it is a step by step formulation which is to be done under the algorithm. Same here, that is a hardware and software. Now see, these are the 4 important methods in computer science. Now, as you have seen here, the first method is to develop the new algorithmic model, or you can call it as a new architectural model, and that step is called as an invention. See, we will take down the simple example. When the Microsoft Office, or you may call it as there are different application came into the existence. So first of all, the model is get created. What is to be done? म्हणजे नेमकं काय सॉफ्टवेअर तयार करायचंय. Now under this we have to study all the different approaches that comes under the software engineering. So that is the step. First of all is called as an invention. Second is what? The part of the design. Basically, all these 4 methods that comes under the part of software engineering. And definitely the computer science is directly, indirectly the part of the software engineering. So in the designing, software engineering uses the design principle to build the complex system. Next is the analysis. There, the analysis means study and evaluation of the software, algorithm, and architecture is to be done. And finally, we have the 4th important step that is called as experimentation. That is, before to make it as a public, the testing, the deployment procedure is to be completed. That is called as a experimentation. Now, when we talk about the fields in computer science, we have 2 major fields. One is called as a software, and second is called as a hardware. Now we will demonstrate here according to the field. म्हणजे आपण इथे काय करतोय की सॉफ्टवेअर आणि हार्डवेअरला हे जे 2 आपले मेजर फील्ड आहेत त्यामध्ये आपले सब्जेक्ट्स आपण डिवाइड केलेले आहेत. सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक ऑन कम्प्युटर प्रोग्रामिंग. सो as you know that the computer programming, we have lots of different types of languages, but basically the computer programming is divided into the 3 major categories. Number 1, that is a high level language. Number 2, assembly level language, and number 3, machine level language, or you may call it as a binary level language. Now here we have taken the both example, C and advanced C, you may call it as a C++, VB, ASP.NET. All these comes under the high level language. Now when we talk about the Turbo C, it is a compiler. Again, the compiler is available in assembly level language, or it is available in the binary level language. So like this, in your syllabus, all these types of languages come under the category of computer programming. Second is that database management system, where actually we are managing, or the what are the systems, what are the techniques to manage the database is going to be studied. So for the second semester, you have a data structure. Simultaneously, for the second year, we have a DBMS, that is a database management systems. Next is under hardware. We have again the two major categories. One is a computer networking. Now in networking, you have a complete core subject, data communication and networking, basic as well as advanced subject. In basic, you study all the basic concepts related to the networking. What is a LAN, MAN, WAN? What are the different types of switches are there? What is meant by router? What is meant by bridge? What is meant by gateway, etc. And in advance, what are the different techniques to be run, or how they are run with example under the each and every layer. Because when we talk about the data communication networking, just data input हो गया और output हो गया, ऐसे नहीं workout करता. It has to be gone through the some procedure for some steps. तो ये steps के अंदर कौन से प्रोटोकॉल से how this technique is going to be implement, that it is going to be studied into the advanced computer networking. The major area is the digital electronics and microprocessor. Now, you know that in digital electronics, we have playing with the numbers only zeros and ones, because we have a number systems, then arithmetic operations with the different number systems, then we have a convergence, then how every electronic part means the logical part, we can say that, and or how it is get implemented for designing the transistor, capacitor, how the resistors are going to be work out, how the resistor is going to be store the data. So that we have seen in the digital electronics. In microprocessor, we have not taken the base, that is a 4004 first microprocessor, but we have taken the 8086 microprocessor, which is a fulfill the complete microprocessor, or which execute the right application for particularly microprocessor. So in that, we have gone through the architecture, what is meant by resistor, how the data will be stored. So like this comes under the part of hardware. Now see here, first of all, I will show you the programming languages. Now this figure shows you have lots of programming languages. If you start from beginning, means C. So C is also connected to B, then assembly, objective, C++, C sharp, Java. यातल्या तुम्ही बऱ्याचशा लँग्वेज तुमच्या कानावर पडलेल्या असतील, पायथॉन, रुबी, जावास्क्रिप्ट, लिव्स, PHP, पर्ल्स. But basic of all these high level languages, C. Because see, every language is started from the C language. सो दॅट्स वाय म्हणजे बऱ्याच जणांच्या याच्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन आला असेल की आपलं सध्या आपण PHP मध्ये काम करतोय, किंवा सॉफ्टवेअर इंडस्ट्री इज ट्राईंग फॉर पायथॉन, देन रुबी, बट स्टिल वी आर लर्निंग विथ द सी. बिकॉज सी, ज्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला मराठी लँग्वेज जर स्टडी करायची, म्हणजे हे करायची असेल, शिकायची असेल, तर आपण तिथे मुळाक्षरापासून सुरुवात केली होती, अ ब क ड, किंवा त्याचे स्वर आणि व्यंजन बघितले होते. सेम हियर, अनलेस अँड अंटिल when you have to start with the programming language, the base of all programming language is a C. Because in C language, once you understand what is a keyword, what is a literal, what is a variable, how these are defined, or what are the rules for creating the variables, what is the loop. So like this, once you understand all this thing, any language you can study by your own also, by taking the reference of books and study material. So C, always remember, C is the base of all languages. So this is the scenario how the C is still using in software programming by various software industry. So you have a scenario, C language, Java, Objective, C++, and where the percentage is also given. Means म्हणजे असं काही हे करता येणार नाही की तुम्हाला फक्त C लँग्वेज येते आणि तुम्हाला मार्केटमध्ये डिमांड नाहीये. You can म्हणजे जर तुमचं सी लँग्वेजचं इतकं परफेक्शन असेल की तुम्हाला अजूनही इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये डिमांड आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हॉट द सिनारिओ. नाउ कम टू द पार्ट ऑफ डेटाबेस मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम. In database management system, we have a lots of scope here. Means in financial management, payment management, channel management, distribution, inventory. In short, DBMS is the concept where or it is used for handling the database. Now, all of you know that the database is available everywhere. Without database, it is not possible to do anything. And based on this database management system, nowadays we have a lots of concept, that is a text mining, data mining. Yes or no? Okay. Now, after this, we have a computer networkings. So directly I will give you the jobs in computer networkings. So we have a first network engineers and network architectures or network architect, which is basically the work of these persons are to design the computer networks. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपल्याकडे आपल्या लॅबमध्ये आपल्याला एक नेटवर्क डिझाईन करायचं आहे, मग त्याच्यासाठी कोण लागतो? सो वी हॅव अ नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्ट. सो इट विल डिसाइड वेदर द लॅन और सम टोपोलॉजीज आर देअर. जसं आपण म्हणतो रिंग टोपोलॉजी आहे, बस टोपोलॉजी आहे. कोणती टोपोलॉजी वर्कआउट करेल, कोणत्या टोपोलॉजीचा कोणत्या नेटवर्कचा जास्तीत जास्त परफॉर्मन्स चांगला येईल, तर ह्या सगळ्या कन्सेप्ट कोण डिझाईन करतं? दॅट इज अ नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्चर और नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्ट. Next is a network and computer system administrator, which is a particularly has a work that is to design, install and support the computer system. As well as we have a system administrator, which is which has the work to maintain the system efficiency. Now in microprocessor, we have a lots of job. I will show in a future scope. Now in web designing, we have a different steps, or you may call it as a different levels, that is in analysis, specification, design and development, content writing, encoding, testing, promotion, maintenance and update. म्हणजे वेब डिझायनिंगच्या जेवढ्या काही स्टेप्स आहेत त्या प्रत्येक ठिकाणी तिथे कोडिंग ज्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला ज्या बेसवर आपल्याला करायची, मग आपण वेब डिझायनिंग साठी जावा स्क्रिप्ट यूज करतोय किंवा HTML यूज करतोय, तर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला तिथे या नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स अवेलेबल आहेत बाय स्टडिंग द वेब फंडामेंटल. नाउ दिस इज जस्ट अ सिनारिओ. इन गेम्स, व्हाट आर द डिफरंट लँग्वेजेस स्टिल युजिंग? So one is a C++, you all of must know. Second is a PHP. It is a particularly running on online games. Next is a OpenGL. Now for website development, we have a number of languages. For application development, we have a Objective-C as well as a Java. The Java is the language, both is included for BCA Management Science as well as a BSc Computer Science in the second year. Now, see how many different jobs are available when you complete your degree or when you come to the third year particularly. First is a game programmer. Second, we have a 3D graphics programmer. Now 3D graphics programmer, because we have a computer graphics, both subject, core as well as a advanced computer graphics. So based on that study, you can have a 3D graphics programmer. Next is a software developer. From any language, you can take down from the C language, C++, Java, JavaScript or HTML, Android, you have Android, PHP, etc. Then research assistant, system designer, application developer, as well as a web developer. Now, I have given here the work of all these, we can say that the profession, software development. What is the profession? What is the work of this profession? It is involved in the activities such as designing, coding, computer programming, as well as the project management. See, all these words, when you come across the software engineering subject, so all these comes under the framework activities of software engineering. So once you go through this subject, you get clear much and much the concept of the software development. Next is a hardware engineer. Same here, which is a used to do the research, design, develop, test, and overseas of the installation of the computer hardware, which include all the hardware things. That is a circuit board, system, modems, keywords, and as well as the printer. Next is a system designer. The job of the system designer is a particularly logical and physical designing. Here the part is considered with the database, means how the input is to be taken by the user, what will be the processing, what will be the output for this. So all this concept is done under the system designer. Next is a system analyst. So to clear, or we can say that to find out the existing problem of the system and to design the solution. Next is a network engineer. Next is a DBA, or you may call it as a database coordinator, as well as a programmer. Now I will show you the lots of departmental activities that we have completed in the last year. This is the poster presentation. This is the student that they get participated in the poster presentation. We have a study tour, both for BSc Computer Science as well as BCA Management Science. See, the aim of the industrial visit is that not to go there and just look, but the thing is that how the working is going on. Because for BCA also we goes to the bank also, Bombay Mercantile. आपल्या कॉलेजच्याच बाजूला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, कारण आपण पेमेंट करत असताना, ऍडमिशन करत असताना त्या बँकेला व्हिजिट केली आहे. सो दे विल शो हाऊ एक्झॅक्टली द वर्किंग इन द बँक इज डन at the we can say that how the taxes will be there, what about the form number 16. Okay, so like this the aim is that not to म्हणजे फक्त आपण तिथे जाऊन यायचं नाहीये, तर तिथे एक्झॅक्टली काम कसं वर्कआउट होतंय हे तुम्हाला दोन्ही ठिकाणी बघायला मिळेल. फॉर द सेम सॉफ्टवेअर इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो, as well as related to the BCA Management Science subjects. This is the test which is conducted by Devgiri College at our campus based on the C programming. So our 10 students were selected. Here it is, we have run the campus interview by Arcus Internet Private Limited. This is the company which is based on the web application, developing the website and web application. So the students were get selected. This is the study tour. So see how the bank, one of the person is counseling to our student exactly how the working is going on with real implementation. म्हणजे तिथे डेमो म्हणण्यापेक्षा की एक्झॅक्टली कसं वर्कआउट करतोय, लोनचे काम कसे करतात, किंवा देर आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ लोन, होम लोन असेल, कार लोन असेल, किंवा बँकेतले अजून जे काही क्रेडिट आहे, ऑल इंडस्ट्री बिझनेस स्टॅटिस्टिक्स किंवा अकाउंटशी रिलेटेड जेवढे काही कामं आहेत दे विल शो अस. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज द इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट ॲट शेअर मार्केट. We have taken it as a presentation. This is the Teachers Day, and this is one of the environmental tour that we have conducted before the 2 years by Department of Computer Science. Now see, this is the future scope. Here we have given the content of the jobs with related to the subject. So simple one, computer fundamental, where the practical is conducted based on the MS Office. That is not only only part, but at the so only based on this we can get some company names. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so these are the number of companies where still the programming based on the C is going on, and as well as if you done the combination with some web programming language, so it will be benefit for your development. So these are the future scope where every subject with a job title as well as company name is given in detail. Same here for the database management system, then Visual Basic 6.0, then .NET programming, as well as the software engineering, software quality and assurance. So here we have considered all the subject from both stream, BSc Computer Science as well as BCA Management Science. So open for questions. If you have a questions, just ask. Okay, first of all, tell me whether you understand the concept of this breach course, this lecture, this webinar.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next, म्हणजे तुम्हाला हे सुरू आपण सांगतो याच्यासाठी की बाबा तुमची फक्त डिग्री म्हणून घेत नाहीये तुम्ही. वी हॅव अ सम एम. तुम्हाला काहीतरी गोल क्रिएट झाला पाहिजे किंवा तुमचा गोल नसेल तर तो तयार झालेला पाहिजे की वी हॅव टू क्रिएट सम गोल अँड वी विल गो ॲज पर अवर गोल. येस.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, is there any questions?
No, ma'am.
No questions.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you have a question?
No, ma'am. No questions.
Okay, okay. So, if there is no questions, जर तुम्हाला असं वाटलं की नाही आपल्याला इथे नाही विचारायचंय तर तुम्ही मला किंवा अमोल सरांना सुद्धा विचारू शकता. व्हॉट्सअप आहे, मेल आयडी आहे. You can ask the question by any way. Okay. Now next is what? I have posted the 2 links on your Google Classroom. BSc Computer Science as well as BCA Management Science. So the first link is related to the student mentorship program, right? So in that, read the carefully. We have given the details about the student mentorship program. Go through it. Only the question number 16B and 20 is not to be solved by you. ते तुम्हाला सॉल्व नाही करायचे. That is to be done by teacher. म्हणजे ते आम्ही सॉल्व करणार. Second thing is that त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला SWOT बद्दल विचारले. Actually SWOT stands for SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is nothing but strength, weaknesses, opportunities आणि trait. मग त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला तुमचे काही स्ट्रेंथ आहेत का, काही गोल्स आहेत का, किंवा काही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज तुम्हाला आल्या का, किंवा तुम्ही ह्या डिग्रीला ऍडमिशन घेतल्यानंतर तुमचे काही गोल सेट झालेत का. सो जस्ट राईट इट. म्हणजे यांनी हे लिहिलं त्यांनी ते लिहिलं तसं न करता थोडंसं विचार करून लिहिलं तर जास्त चांगलं राहील. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग इज दॅट अजून एक तुम्हाला लिंक पाठवली आहे. दॅट इज हा जो आपला इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम झाला त्याची फीडबॅक लिंक आहे. तर त्या फीडबॅक लिंक मध्ये एक लक्षात घ्या, तिथे कोर्सचं पूर्ण नाव लिहायचंय. सो राईट इट. those student from BSc Computer Science, they can write it BSc Computer Science. and those are from BCA management, so they can write BCA management science. जरी तिथे वरती ब्रॅकेट मध्ये नसेल तरी तुम्हाला तुमचा कोर्स पूर्ण लिहायचा आहे, टाकायचा आहे. ओके, सो जस्ट fill these two link and submit it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Amul sir, we will stop here. Okay, okay. So thank you all of you.